Good afternoon, traders. This is Azam with tipsontrading.com, and today, December 19th, I'm just going to quickly go over a few trades that we took literally like 12 hours ago. So as you can see, we've been shorting the Aussie dollar, and the first trade is Aussie Swiss, which is up 50%. The second is Aussie Yen, which is up about 89, 90 pips. And the third one is Euro Aussie, which is up 47 pips. So let's take a quick look as to what's happening here. So Aussie Swiss, let's take a quick look at the weekly charts. As you can see on the weekly that there is resistance out here, and last week ended in a weaker Aussie dollar. So I just decided to literally take the trade right at the break of last week's close. So below 478, I just, as you can see, by 447.80 is where I took the trade, and it's just been going down since then. Simple, nothing fancy. Aussie Yen, same thing, weekly chart. We see that it came into a resistance region and then it created this huge pin bar, and pin bars are a huge indicator, especially if they're in a resistance or support level area. It tells you that despite the price going up, it was pushed down by the sellers, or despite the price going down, it was pushed up by the sellers, and a breakout of that is a very high probability trade. And that's exactly what we did. We just bought in at the breakout at about 85.6, and as you can see, the return's been very nice, and it's just been 12 hours and the week has just begun. Euro Aussie, similar thing. You're at a support level, and there's a couple of things going on here. That the breakout of last week's high is one thing, but also noticing the trend that the Australian dollar is losing value, and that's what I really kind of leveraged on, that opportunity that, okay, there's a breakout in pricing, but also the weakness in the Australian dollar. So that's why I bought the euro. So guys, as you can see, trading, it really is not that difficult. It's pretty simple. Right here we have about 200 pips, or close to 200 pips in return, and this is just in less than 12 hours of trading. So what we try to do here is try to find the most profitable patterns on a day-to-day basis, and we take those with very low risk because we want consistency. We're not going to make money in just one trade. We're going to make money over time. And when I say over time, it takes years and years and years of consistency, doing the same tedious tasks again and again and again, with risking just a few dollars here and there and turning that into huge returns. So that's what we do. That's what we master here at tipsontrading.com. If you're interested, join our trade alerts. We provide trade alerts for Forex, stocks, and options, and now even penny stocks. So it's the same patterns we use. We use algorithms that we have created, and we stick to our risks. And these kind of returns are what we usually get. Nothing fancy. Alright guys, this is Azam from tipsontrading.com. Take care and have a great day. Bye.